If the slide room gets stuck at any time, many RVs have a manual override access and tool to crank the room back into place for travel. Heads up that this is not a simple task and will take some elbow grease and time. The slide room is another important place to check for possible water intrusion, starting with the gaskets, sweeps, and seals. These rubber pieces located along the sides, top, and bottom of the slide are to prevent the exterior elements from accessing the interior of the RV. Inspect them periodically for tears or gaps that might let in unwanted guests or create a water intrusion. Some slide rooms have a retractable topper that is covering the roof of the slide. This can also be inspected for tears or damage. And once again, check the seals around the roof and sides of the slide for possible gaps or aging sealant that needs to be touched up or replaced. Call an RV technician for repairs involving hydraulic or electric motor issues or suspected water leaks. Your coach battery needs to maintain a specific charge level to properly operate the 12-volt systems in the RV. So how do you know if your coach battery is charged? First, if none of the 12-volt systems are powering on, like the overhead lights, then you might have a problem with battery charge levels. Some RVs have a monitor panel inside the rig that indicates the level of charge or even a specific voltage reading from the coach battery. This is a good time to talk about a great investment for RV owners, and that would be a multimeter. You can use this tool to test voltage at both the batteries and any outlet to protect you, the RV electrical system, and appliances. The Home Study course will teach you about all the functions of this important tool.